So here my grid lines are completed. Now I'm draw on grid lines. So here I'm adding the first layer with HB lead. Now I'm blending with blending stumps. Now I'm using 6B pencil for dark areas. Same blending stump using. Now I'm drawing eyebrows. First I draw the eyebrows strokes and with HB lead. Now I'm using 8B pencil. Now blend with blending stumps. For highlighting I use monotombo eraser. Now I'm drawing second eyebrow. Same with mechanical pencil. Same 8B pencil for dark strokes. For highlighting use Tombow mono eraser. So here our eyebrows is ready. Now move on the eye. First left side eye. For eyeball I use 10B pencil. For eyelashes I use first mechanical pencil, then I use 6B pencil for dark eyelashes. So here our first eye is completed. Now move on the second eye. Same step. First draw the outlines of eye. Here I use 10B pencil for eyeball. For eyelashes, first I use mechanical pencil. For dark eyelashes I use 6B pencil. So guys, see you in the next video. In next video I will show you how to draw the nose, lips and ears and rest of the parts. So till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.